Have you ever thrown away a gift card before you used it? Worst birthday ever. I don't want that to happen to you. Hey there Garmin fam, I'm Jason Daniels, and today I'll be unboxing the printed materials kit for a new GTN Xi and walking you through the goodies inside that you won't want to throw away. Let's get started. The first thing you'll notice about the printed materials kit is that it comes in this nice black pouch. This will help you keep track of what's inside and protect the pilot's guide long term. Before we move on, take a quick whiff and enjoy that new printed materials kit smell. Let's go ahead and slide the contents out of the pouch. Right on top, you'll find a delivery checklist for the installer. Next, you'll see that Garmin has included a handy microfiber cloth that you can use to clean the screen for your device. You can never have too many of these, am I right? Then you'll find a notice slip for Canadian customers. So if you're in Canada, slip this into your pilot's guide. Now, here comes the jackpot. Don't lose this card because this little gem has 3 things on it that every GTN Xi owner will want to take advantage of. First, you'll see a section labeled GTN Xi Database Update that has a redemption code printed on it. Owners, hold on to this and use it for your next database cycle. On the other side of the card, you'll find great training resources to help pilots get to know the GTN Xi. The first one is an access code for the GTN Essentials 2.0 e-learning course. Oh, that's this one. This code can be redeemed at flygarmin.com to gain access to the course for 2 years. The other half of this card has instructions for downloading the GTN Trainer app, a great tool for getting familiar with the user interface of the GTN Xi Navigator. So, remember, don't lose this card. Last but not least is the GTN Xi Pilot's Guide. This is your in-depth guide to your GTN Xi's operations, functions, and features. Read it, reference it, and keep it protected with this handy pouch. You can also download a free digital version of the Pilot's Guide at support.garmin.com. That should cover everything in the printed materials kit. Looking for additional training from Garmin? Visit garmin.com/aviation training. I'm Jason, and I'll see you next time.